Previously, you have learned about how to download and install Power BI. Now I will guide you through few graphs which you can get from Power BI. Let me import a dataset. This is the widely used dataset for the Power BI. You just need to click on the financials in the tick mark and load the dataset. The dataset has been loaded. You can see in the data pane here, financial, all the variables are being displayed here. Variables, you can also say the column headers are being displayed here. So let me take you through the first graph, which is a stacked bar chart. Just click on that, and to represent the X and Y axis, you just need to add the Y axis to product values. Just drag and drop the product values in the Y axis. Again, drag and drop the profit values in the X axis. In this way, we can create a bar chart. Similarly, a vertical column chart or stacked column chart. For that, you need just the unit sold in the Y axis and country in the X axis. So you can see here the unit sold by country has been displayed in the column chart. Okay. Next we have a pie chart. In the pie chart, we can represent the sales value, drag and drop to values, and the month name to the legend. You can see here the 12 months has been represented here. You can see all the values of the 12 months have been represented in the pie chart. Similarly, you can draw a donut chart just by clicking the donut chart. It will change into a donut chart. Okay. Then we have a card. In the card, we can display how much profit has been generated over the entire data. So how the profit has been generated? So 16.89 millions is the profit generated from the entire data. Similarly, if I will draw a table. So there is a table here. In the table, I will show the product in the columns and discounts in the columns axis. So this is the sum of the discounts and products value you can see here in a table. Okay. So in this way, we can draw a table and view charts in the Power BI. So here we have learned about how to import a data, how to create a chart, and in the next class, we will be discussing about how you can create a dashboard. That will take some time. So better to have some patience and we can jump into the dashboard. So thank you.